The internet is the engine of the world, and web development is its fuel. Do you want to become a successful web developer in 2025? Let's explore the roadmap together. Everything starts with HTML, which we call the skeleton of web development. The structure of every website is built with HTML. Now imagine if the skeleton had no skin or style. How would it look? CSS gives life to that skeleton. After CSS comes JavaScript, which brings websites to life. Button clicks, form validations, and animations, all are powered by JavaScript. Keeping your code safe and organized is essential. Git and GitHub give you the tools to save your work and share it with the world. Now let's understand the importance of frameworks. These tools make your work faster and easier, like React, Angular, and Vue. After the front end, let's talk about the backend. Node.js and databases act as the engine of your applications. Responsive design ensures a perfect experience on every device, whether it's a phone or a tablet. Your project is complete. Now it's time to share it with the world. Hosting platforms like GitHub Pages, Netlify, and Vercel make it easy. Web development is a journey that never ends. Keep learning, keep exploring new tools, and continue upgrading your skills. Your story can begin in 2025. Follow this roadmap and create your first website. Subscribe to Ship's web series and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more tutorials.